Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So, dear guys, we are going to discuss about noun in details. So, I think all of you are ready with your pen and notebooks. Okay, so just note down. It will be easy for you. So, I think all of you know about the noun. What is noun? I mean, what is this? The description of noun. Okay, it's refer to the name of the animal, place, or person, or thing like that. Okay. So today in this session we are going to discuss about the kinds of the noun and the function of the noun. So there are different types of the noun. So total they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are the total eight kind of the noun. So first is proper noun, second one is common noun, abstract noun, countable noun, non-countable noun, collective noun, compound noun, and the last one is concrete noun. Okay. So first, so I think it's very simple. I think proper noun is as simple is proper noun is a name which refer only to a single person, place, or thing. That is proper noun. For example, mm Steve. Steve is a particular person name. Okay. Mumbai is particular the name of the place. Okay. And this common noun is a name of for something which common is for many things. Person like country. So in the word of the country, it is also a noun, but country is common. It may can be India or China or Russia, America, like that. So it is common noun. Okay. Abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen but is there. It has no physical extensions. Generally, it refers to idea, qualities, and conditions. So, for example, truth, lies, happiness, sorrow. It never seen. We can't see this, but so but there is some liking that. Okay, so this is abstract noun like happiness, truth, lies. Uh, Friendship, time, sorrow, like it all these words are example of the abstract noun. And the fourth one is concrete noun. The concrete noun is the exact opposite of abstract noun, which means uh, in abstract noun we can't see but is there. In from the concrete noun is it's refer to thing we see and have physical extents. Okay, the opposition like chair, table, bat, ball, kalansu, topi, cap, and kannada, chashma, and like the what glasses. Okay. The another one is countable noun. What is countable? Countable noun is that thing that the name the thing that we can easily that count it. Okay, like for countable like chair, two chairs, three chairs, four chairs, four tables, or five caps. Like in countable noun, we use that word for that thing that we can easily count it. Okay, and non-countable noun is we can't count it. Okay, like water. Okay, tea or juice, like that is non-countable noun. Okay, the another one is collective noun. Collective noun is is a word for a group of things, people or animals, etc. So we can okay, so we can just family, team, football team, or cricket team. So these are the collective noun. Like we can say army. Okay, and the compound noun is something two or three nouns appear together or even with other parts of speech and create idiomic compound nouns. Like for example, six pack, 5 year old, and son-in-law. So these are the or compound nouns. So we are just appearing two or three nouns together like six pack, 5 year old. Okay, and son in law. snowball, mailbox. So these are the all compounds noun. Okay. So here we end our the discussion related to uh, kinds of noun. But now we are going to discuss functions of noun. So it's very simple. Okay. So functions of the noun are subject, direct object, indirect object, object of preposition, adverb, adjective, possession. Okay. So these are the positions. So these are the functions of noun. Okay. So I hope all of you understand. If you don't, so you may if you have any question, so you may ask in comment section. Okay. So here we complete our class and our class. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.